Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are opening the March Simply Earth recipe box. If you are not familiar with Simply Earth, they are an essential oil company that is great. They have great quality oils. Their recipes are formulated by aromatherapists. This is their monthly box, so it's a subscription. It's $45 a month. You get a lot of stuff in here. The value is always way over, which I'll go over in a minute. And then you also get a big bonus box your first time. You get, with my code, $45 back. It's really just a great deal just to try it at least once if you like essential oils but are not sure how to use them or not sure how to use them safely, or you like doing DIYs, which I love all of those things. So I love this box. I've gotten it for a couple of years now and I share every month a little sneak peek of what's inside. So this is what you get each month. So 4 essential oils. They're normally 15 ml bottles. Usually there will be a 5 ml bottle depending on what the oil is, but normally this is what it looks like. And so you get your recipe cards in this side and then things you'll need to make each recipe. Things that won't be in here are like sugar, salt, like regular household things, baking soda sometimes. But in your big bonus box, you get other things you'll need too. Solid coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, different bottles. And I share that in other videos too. So if you want to go back and see some of the other examples of things you'll get, all of the unboxings are on my channel. But this month, the theme is face care, and I'm really excited. I love skincare. If you watch my videos, you will know that beauty products and skincare are some of my favorites. They also have a new makeup kit launched recently, and I did a whole video on that, so you can make your own makeup. It's kind of messy, as you'll see in my video, but it's really fun and natural, so you can't really beat that. First oil is Copaiba. This is an essential oil that's very versatile. It can be used for a lot of different things. It's not going to focus, I'm sorry. But this is anti-inflammatory, so really good in skincare. It's warm and resinous, that's the aroma. And their Copaiba is from Brazil. All of this information will be on their website too. They have batch numbers and a lot of different safety info on their website. So that is great. It takes the brain work out of knowing what essential oil can be used for what and how to use it, the dilution rates and things like that. So they make it super simple. Copaiba smells kind of like resiny. What does this one say? Warm and resinous. It is exactly that. Clear Skin is next. So you'll usually get 3 essential oils and then a blend. So this is a blend of tea tree, sandalwood, cedarwood, juniper berry, and lemon essential oils. So it smells good, but also has all of those powerful, tea tree is a super powerful essential oil. You'll want to make sure you dilute all of these, which they'll have in all of the recipe cards, but using essential oils on skin it's super important to dilute it to the proper percentage because your skin is just so sensitive. This smells really good. It would be good in the diffuser because it's fresh and clean. The tea tree and woodsy, sweet, citrusy. That smells really good. The next one is geranium essential oil. Geranium is a floral oil. It's a very strong, unsweet essential oil. I love florals. Those are all essential oils. Not all, but most essential oils are my favorite. But I really love florals. Geranium's really good. And then lemon. We use lemon so much for so many things. Mostly, I would say most of the time is to get stickers off of stuff and to get little tiny rubber bands out of our girls' hair. So lemon is what it is. It's made from the peels. It's the freshest. Essential oils are super fresh. Smells good, uplifting, but also really powerful in skin care. So we're gonna, oh, this is exciting. You get a little gua sha. I don't think this is like a stone one. It feels kind of plasticky. I'm not exactly sure what it's made out of, but it's not like super heavy like my jade one, but you get one of these. I love using these in doing like lymph drainage and just like activating or leaving your skincare around and making it penetrate your skin. And then what is this? This is a little card. So you get the Face Care Hero 0 to Hero. So you earn a badge, Face Care Hero. And a recipe to make gentle facial cleanser, which has been in a recipe box before. They have a face wash powder and you can make your own cleanser. All about making natural products. Fresh Flowers Face Serum is first, so you'll need a container for this. And on here it'll say what is used from your box and what you'll need from home. So from home, you'll need a serum bottle and a 1/2 ounce serum bottle. So you can just reuse a bottle that you've had before from a company, or you can buy on Amazon. They have tons of pretty ones too. But you'll need the serum base, which you get that in your box. Ooh, this is in a plastic bottle because it's not an essential oil. It threw me off. Face serum base. This is camellia seed oil, jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, rosehip oil, and hemp seed oil. So this is a mix of carriers. And you'll need this, 1 drop of geranium, 1 drop lemon, and 1 drop copaiba. And then after you apply the serum, you use your gua sha, am I saying that right, to press it into your skin and move it around. Let's see. So the dilution rate is approximately 1%, and you want to make sure, I'm pretty casual with when I'm making different blends and mixes and stuff, but when you're making skincare, you want to be pretty precise just because it's a dilution rate for a reason and you're putting it on your face. Not in your eyes, but around the most sensitive probably part of your body. Melt Away Cleansing Balm is next. This one, whoops. And they also, which I love, they tell you the shelf life, how long it takes to make, and then the dilution rates. So they give you all of the information that you could possibly need, which is really helpful, especially when you're starting out with essential oils. It can be super overwhelming, so this makes it really simple. But anyways, we're making a cleansing balm. And so from the box, you'll need almond oil, coconut oil, which are in your big bonus box, emulsifying wax, which comes in this monthly box. It's these little flakes of emulsifying wax. Half a teaspoon of beeswax, which comes in your big bonus box, and then the Clear Skin Essential Oil Blend. You will need 15 drops of this for this mix, and you're putting it in where? Pour into a jar. So you'll need a jar to store, and glass is always best when using essential oils. Clear Skin Roll-On Serum Base. So we are making a roller. So an empty roller bottle will come in your big bonus box. You'll put 10 drops of the Clear Skin blend, a teaspoon approximately of the serum base, and then a teaspoon of almond oil. And then you're gonna mix it in a 10 ml bottle and apply it to trouble spots on the face to support and clear acne. And then note on the bottom of this recipe specifically for that roll-on is a 5% dilution rate, which is recommended for spot treating and not for daily use. So they make it clear on that as to why. New Horizons Diffuser Blend is next, and you are going to get empty bottles. So you'll put 55 drops of lemon, 33 drops of copaiba, and then 11 drops of geranium, and you're making your own diffuser blend. And the best part of that too is they have labels. So you mix it all and then you can label everything so that you know exactly what it is and won't forget. Makeup priming butter. Oh, this is exciting. So you're doing coconut oil, almond oil, and then geranium and copaiba, and you're melting the coconut oil and almond oil in a double boiler, and then adding in your essential oils after it cools and stirring. Now, some people can be sensitive to coconut oil, so if you are, you can maybe find a substitution for that, but almond oil is great, and also jojoba oil is really great, but they want, I think, that to solidify to make like a butter. So just keep in mind if you're sensitive to coconut oil on your face. And then Luxurious Face Cream is last, and I'm excited about this. But you will need quite a few extra things. So from home, you need water, vegetable glycerin, which we've gotten, I believe, before. So I have some on hand, a preservative, which is the GeoGuard ECT preservative, which we've gotten before too. So that I have, and then a jar. But you're making a face cream with almond oil, coconut oil, the emulsifying wax, beeswax, copaiba, geranium, and lemon. So that looks like a pretty big, a double-sided, that's a bigger recipe, and you'll need to make it in your kitchen with heating up this stuff, but I'm excited about that. Homemade face products I really love because they're simple, they're effective. I don't need the fancy $100 lotions. I keep it pretty simple with my skincare, and I use one brand, and then I make the rest of my things. And I really love adding Blue Tansy. That's another essential oil, is also great in skincare. If you have any questions on any of my other face care recipes or things like that, let me know. Maybe I'll do a whole video on that. I'm excited to make these. This one, the shelf month is 9 months, so just make sure you're labeling and making sure. I don't want to use expired or just old oils or old products that you've made. So just make sure you keep in mind that. But that is March. I'm excited about it. I'm going to make a couple of reels right now, or shorts for YouTube, and show you how to make a couple of these, so stay tuned or look for those. But thank you guys for watching. Again, my code will be here and in the description of this video. You get $45 gift card back to use on things, and sometimes they have a deal where you can get the first box for $30. So it's like a no-brainer to try it. But let me know if you have questions. Thank you guys for watching to the end. Have a good day. Bye.